Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting both the heading and the paragraph, so Word applies changes consistently. Open the Home tab and click the small paragraph dialog launcher. This exposes before and after spacing controls that often cause gaps. Once done, set before to 0 pt and after to 0 pt so spacing between elements is removed. Make sure line spacing is set to single or exactly with a logical point size to keep text compact. This first step eliminates default extra spacing quickly and predictably. Next, you modify the actual style so the fix persists. Right-click the heading style used, choose Modify, then format right arrow paragraph. There, set before and after to 0 pt and choose single or exactly line spacing to control vertical rhythm. Once done, update the style to match selection so every heading of that style follows the same spacing rule. Make sure to apply changes to the whole document or new documents based on your need. This prevents the gap from reappearing when you reuse headings. To finish, inspect the document for manual paragraph marks that create space. Enable Show /hide paragraph and remove extra empty paragraphs. Once done, reapply your adjusted styles to both heading and paragraph so formatting is consistent. If spacing persists, confirm there are no section breaks, compatibility settings, or adjacent style spacing overriding your values. As a quick troubleshooting tip, if gaps remain, select the two paragraphs and use clear formatting, then reapply your clean styles to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.